I just received my water heater. When you have a guest or something, you need something right away. So this is absolutely fantastic and within the price range that I needed. I used to have a different one and that is broke down, and now I just got this from Amazon. You should order it, and within the price range, it's cheaper. It's not too expensive, and it gets the job done.
This is the COSORI hot water heater, hot water pot, whatever you want to call it. It has a max level of 1.7 liters, and the other side has standard measurements of max level of 7 cups. I have already heated it once, so it won't take as long for it to heat up again whenever I turn it on. But there's the start button, and when you start it, blue light comes on. Looks kind of cool, actually. And inside here is a strainer at the top of the lid. Here's the button, push to raise the lid. I will close it before it starts boiling. A nice mesh strainer for, I don't know if it keeps the bubbles from popping out, or from popping out when it's boiling, or if it's just, or if it can be used for tea or whatever. So, then here's the button to push it down with. This is to keep you from burning your hand on the metal, which does get hot. And I did time it for the full time. It normally takes approximately 7 minutes when it's this full. If it's not as full, you know, it can take less time. So I'll just keep it on for however long. It does. There's a, as you can see, there's a gap here, and you know, wonder why you don't put more water in it. Well, when it gets to a full boil, you'll be able to see why, because it boils pretty hard. One nice thing I like about it, other than the measurements and such, and it does boil fast, you can turn it if you need to. You're left-handed, turn around the other direction, such as that. And you can see it's boiling pretty good. And I'm going to take it off to show you what happens when you take it off. It will shut off automatically, but you can always turn it back on. Oh, it reached its boiling point, so it won't turn back on, but that's what you do, press it here to turn it back on again. So, anyways, it works well. I'm very pleased with it. I use it every day, and I like it a lot. Okay.
My brand new electric tea kettle arrived today, highly rated by America's Test Kitchen, and when you turn it on, it lights up blue.
This is my Airbnb. This is the new kettle. And I only put a little bit of water here just to show you for purposes. This is one of my coffee bars I have in the house. And here's the kettle. And I want to show you between 5 and 7 minutes. This is boiling. And when it stops, we pick it up. It'll turn itself off. And then to put it back on, there's this little thing on the bottom. You just line it back up with this. And just maybe some tea here, but gotta be careful. It gets very, very hot though. Enjoy.
very easy to use. Doesn't take much time, maybe like 2 to 5 minutes, even probably less, to heat up. But yeah, very convenient, and it has like a little lid to fill out water. The safety feature here for like the water doesn't drop. And yeah, that's about it. Just very simple and easy to use.